Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Abby and I make lifestyle and travel videos here on my channel. As some of you may know, if you saw my last video, which I will link up here in the cards, I recently found out that I have a gluten allergy, so I've been trying to find substitutes and make my favorite dishes gluten-free. So today I'm going to try that with chicken piccata. It's one of my favorite ways to eat chicken, and it's usually dredged in flour before you cook it. So today I'm going to be using a gluten-free flour alternative, and I thought I would take you guys along with me. So if you are interested in that, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future gluten-free recipes and other videos on my channel. Alright guys, let's get cooking. So the first thing that we're going to do is make the flour and Parmesan cheese mixture. Instead of flour, I'm going to be using this gluten-free Bob's Red Mill flour substitute thing. And I am doubling this recipe because I want to have leftovers for lunches for the next few days. And dinners and, you know, whatever I need. So, I'm gonna start with 1 cup of flour. And it does not need to be exact. This is not that important. Just need it in there. And then the recipe calls for half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm just gonna pour about half a cup because it's not that super exact. And mix that up a little bit. I will say this does feel like real flour. everyone, we have just finished eating our chicken piccata with roasted potatoes and cauliflower. It was a big hit, everyone loved it. There's still a bunch left over for tomorrow, and yeah, it was a success. So I would love to know if you try this recipe. Let me know, tag me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle here, and I would love to have you check me out over there. So we just finished eating our chicken piccata with roasted potatoes and cauliflower. Everyone loved it, it was a big success. And we have plenty of leftovers for tomorrow and probably some for lunch the next day. So if you make this recipe, be sure to take a picture of it and send it to me on Instagram or tag me in a picture. Also be sure to let me know down below what kind of gluten-free recipes you are looking to try, and I will try to, come up with one that will work for a gluten-free lifestyle. I know there are a lot of foods that I'm missing that I can't get anywhere because, there's not that many options that are, reasonable, healthy, not loaded with sugar. So let me know what those are. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it down below, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future recipes and other videos. Talk to you guys later. Bye.